Do you want to speak English but you don't have any partner to do practice at your home in English? So don't worry about that. I am here for telling you how to do practice in English by sitting at your home and totally alone. So let's start the video. Hello guys, this is me Jugunoo and I am from Azamgarh. I belong a very small village. There is no any kind of environment of English. But right now I am speaking English front of you because of practice, because of following some kind of method. So the same method I would like to share front of you. If you will follow that type of method, so you will definitely improve your English within some days. So let me share method number one. I know everyone watch the movies, songs, and podcast for improving their English. So I would like to add a little bit things. When you watch the movies and podcast and songs, so every movies and podcast and songs apply the subtitles. Then you have to read the subtitles out loud. Out loud. The reading out loud subtitles is beneficial for us for improve our English. Suppose that in upcoming time you will speak English front of the peoples, but you will get stuck because of some problems, because of forgetting some words. So that time your subconscious mind will help you to remember the strong word, to remember and identify the strong sentence. So you will not get stuck in upcoming time. So that is the benefit of reading out loud of the subtitles. So method number two. I know in this time everyone have mobile phone. So you have to use your mobile phone in the right way. Using your mobile phone, you can improve your English. Let me share how you will use your mobile phone in the right way to improve your English. Pick up your mobile phone and start front camera and open the front camera and pick up and record yourself and pick up any topic like tree and books and home. Any topic you have to pick up and speak more than 4 and 5 minutes. You have to speak more than 4 and 5 minutes, and during speaking when you stuck, don't you have to just give up. Just you have to keep on speaking. Then after complete 4 and 5 minutes, then you will have to see your video very carefully. When you will see your video, then you will identify what was your mistake and what kind of sentence you are not able to speaking. Then you will identify it, and also one more thing, you will get confident day by day, because the when you will going to face the people of public speaking, then you will not fear to the speaking front of the publics. So it's the benefit of the speaking and front of the cameras and record yourself. Method number 3. I know in this time everyone use Instagram too much. I also use Instagram too much. So when you feel to use Instagram, then you have to open your Instagram and find 2 and 3 very good pages which is available on English. We show you the vocab and we show you the modal verb, passive voice and tense. That type of Instagram page you have to follow, and every day you have to watch that type of Instagram pages and reels 4 and 5 minutes every day. If you will just watch that type of reels every day, so you will learn every day new vocabs and new phrases and new sentences and new model verb. Every day you will learn it, and it's very good for you to speak new type of things. So these are 3 methods I share with you. If you will follow this method continuously 15 days, so you will see in yourself a lot of confidence, a lot of improvement. You will never and ever hesitate during speaking from other peoples. So I would like to conclude this video, and I would like to say one more thing in the end of this video. If is this video helpful for you, so please don't forget like and subscribe this channel. If you will like and if you will subscribe my channel, so I will get inspiration, and I will just make next video for you how to improve your English within some days. So that's